Happy Sunday, and thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Today I'm excited to share with you an authentic Ghanaian fish light soup recipe, which is made with fresh tilapia and tender goat meat. This recipe is made with simple, home-friendly ingredients, yet packed with rich traditional flavor. So if this sounds like something you would love, then please grab a seat and enjoy this one with me. Thank you. Since tilapia is the star of this recipe, I'm starting off with two large tilapia and I've placed them in a bowl and filled it to the brim with water because they are slightly frozen. And this will help with defrosting. And to tackle that fishy smell, I'm also adding a generous splash of lemon juice. Now, I don't personally enjoy the smell that often comes with fish, so I take my time to clean it properly. First, I go in with some white vinegar, then I follow up with some fresh lemon juice, making sure to thoroughly scrub every part of the fish. And after that, I'll trim off the fins and tail, just like you've seen in the video. So when I'm done, I'll give it a final thorough rinse, pat dry it and cut it off camera and move on to the next step or stage. So now let's prepare the marinade. In a blender, I'm adding one medium-sized onion, some fresh ginger, cloves of garlic, green chilies, and a bit of rosemary. Then I'll blend everything until it's smooth. The blending process takes like a minute, so when I'm done, I'll just set it aside and move on to the next stage. So I have my tilapia here with me. It's been beautifully cut and ready. I'll start by adding 2 tablespoons of green marinade, followed by some natural herbs and spice blend, and a bit of salt and also some fish seasoning. When I'm done, I'll gently massage everything in it, making sure to coat it very well. And once that's done, I'll pop it in the fridge and let it marinate while we move on to the next step or stage. In a pot, I'm adding some well cleaned goat meat and then some salted beef. Then I'll top it with some chopped onions and 2 tablespoons of the same green marinade we blended earlier. For seasoning, I'm using goat meat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and a bit of salt. Then I'll mix everything thoroughly until it's well coated. Then I'll rinse out the blender with just small amounts of water and add it in. Then I'll be cooking it for about 30 to 35 minutes for it to release its own juice and flavors. After about 15 minutes on the stove, the meat has released its own juice and it's smelling amazing already. I'll just give it a quick stir or a good stir. Then I'll follow it up with some water and a spoonful of tomato paste. Now I don't really want too much, so that is just what I'm using. You can add more if you prefer. I'll then cover and let it continue cooking beautifully. In a separate pot, I'm adding some water, followed by some fresh peppers and turkey berries. Please feel free to use whatever you are comfortable with. I'll cover it and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. And after about 7 to 10 minutes, everything is cooked to perfection and just in time because our meat is also perfectly done. When I'm done, I'll just blend the boiled pepper and turkey berries we cooked earlier, and I'll be blending this until it's smooth. And once blended, I'll strain it directly into the soup. So strain it directly into the meat. Then I'll add some water. And as I always say, balance is key. Please make sure there's a good ratio of meat to the soup. I'll say enam na wode yɛ wo nkwan no ne nsuo na wobɛhyɛ wo nkwan no balance. Hope what I'm saying is clear. You don't want a pot full of soup with just few pieces of meat floating around. If you're still here and watching, I truly appreciate your love and support. And if it's your first time here, a warm welcome to you. Just stick around for more delicious recipes. Next, I'll give the soup a quick stir and I'll be adding 3 medium-sized tomatoes and 2 medium-sized onions. I'll let this cook gently on medium heat for about 30 minutes. And after 25 minutes, I'll come back to check on the soup and remove the tomatoes and onion, and I'll be blending them until smooth and pour it right back into the pot. Just like you've seen in the video, I'll rinse the blender with little amounts of water and I'll add that into the soup as well. And I'll give it a quick stir. Now it's time to add our beautifully marinated tilapia we kept in the fridge. And I like to add the fish at this stage because fish tends to break apart if it's cooked for too long. And we want our pieces to stay nice and whole. Yɛmpɛ sɛ egugu ɛwɔ nkwan no mu. Abra ayɛ ready sɛ anaasɛ ayɛ ready sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛdi. Yes. So after adding the fish, I'll just give it a quick stir and I'll cover the pot and let this simmer on medium heat for about 25 minutes. And let me tell you, the whole house was smelling incredible. Now 30 minutes later, the soup is ready and cooked to absolute perfection. Simple, flavorful, and easy to follow. This comforting Ghanaian fish light soup pairs beautifully with rice, fufu, or banku. You can even enjoy it with some ripe plantain. And of course, I had mine with some fufu. Yes. Thank you so much for taking time to watch till the very end. I truly appreciate your love and support. And like I always say, I don't take it for granted. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with your family and friends. You can also explore more amazing recipes right here on the channel. See you in the next one and have a blissful week. Bye bye.